Hey traders and investors, it's George Berger here. Today I want to go through a typical trade setup that we use in the Steady Trader Trade Alert product, and of course that I use in the portfolios that I manage, which really combines the best of the multi-time frame analysis. So we're basically using a chart here that gives us a very clear price target on a longer term chart, but the signal actually comes on a shorter term chart. So this is FFIV, F5 Networks. Stock, you can see basically has made a series of lower highs so far versus its January 2011 top. If we zoom in a little bit closer, we can now draw a very simple resistance line. And I always tell my clients and subscribers that it's all about keeping it simple. So if we sort of draw this resistance line more or less, I think I need to kind of take this a little bit to the top. And then this currently brings us resistance around the 125 to 127 or $28 area. Okay, if we now zoom in closer on the stock, you can see that the stock so far this year has basically, for the most part, has just consolidated the rally. It's very sharp rally that sort of took place off the mid-May mark in 2013, so last year. If we zoom in even closer, you can see that the stock looks to be coiling up for a next move higher, and actually so far today, you can see right now as of this recording, stock's up 2% on the day. The stock it looks to be coiling up for another move higher, and the logical first next target is this downtrending diagonal resistance line dating back to 2008. And 11. So this is exactly what I mean about using the multiple time frames to look at the setup. So if we draw a resistance line here, you can see, and zoom in a little bit closer, that the stock over the past couple of months has been consolidating in the upper range of the year-to-date range. So this little sort of square here, and you can see the stock now looks to be wanting to break past resistance here. Excuse me. So to me, this is a great example of a stock that gives us a entry point. That gives us an entry point on a near-term chart, but a price target on a longer-term chart. Hope this makes sense, guys. As always, if you got any questions, you can hit me up on Twitter. My Twitter handle is SteadyTrader, and I'll see you in the next video.